back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be doing a makeup tutorial. I just got really bored and I just decided to do a makeup video for you guys because a lot of my friends have been like, Maria, you should start posting makeup videos again and do more stuff on YouTube. So much stuff we need to catch up on. But yeah, let's just get it started. Enough of me talking, let's go on to the video.
We are starting off with the Maybelline Master Prime and the Professional by Benefit Primer. Next off, I will be taking the NYX Happy Birthday palette. I don't think they sell this in the NYX website. I already checked and they don't. So I'm thinking this is a limited edition. I got this at Ulta when it was my birthday month. They were giving it for free. I'm going to be taking the dark color at the end and working it on my crease. I'm going to be taking the Born This Way concealer and applying it on my lid to make it like a cut crease. Next up, I'm going to be taking one of the pink metal shades and applying that to my lid. I'm going to be blending all the colors out. One of the things I really like to do is get a little small brush and add concealer on it. Instead of using tape, you can use that method. But I use concealer and kind of make it look sharp. Using the same concealer, I'm going to be using it to conceal all over my face, under eyes, my nose, in between my eyebrows and my chin. Next up, I will be taking my beauty blender from Real Techniques. I decided to go with foundation for this look, so I'm going to be using the Neutrogena foundation. To make everything fully blend, I'm going to be taking this brush from BH Cosmetics. Then I'm going to be taking the Maybelline Master Contour. It's a cream contour and you have the dark shade for contouring and the other side is for highlighting, which I'm going to also be applying that to my face. When you blend cream contours, make sure to dampen your beauty blender again and really pat that in because it's really hard for cream contours. Next up, I'm going to be taking my holy grail. I swear by this is the Too Faced Cirque du Soleil bronzer. Oh gosh, it's so pretty and it smells so good. Next up, I'm going to be taking for powder my MAC foundation powder and applying that all over my face. Next up, I'm going to be taking a NYX blush. I'm going to be taking the NYX setting spray and setting my face. This is used to make sure your makeup stays all day. Next up, I'm going to be taking my Bobbi Brown highlighter. I have never used another highlighter. I've been using this for 2 years and I love it. I'll have all my makeup down in the description box if I can find it. I don't do much for eyebrows. I usually just brush them out and use one of the Benefits Give Me Brow to set my eyebrows. To make this look more extra, I'm using one of the Ardell's lashes. I don't remember which ones I use, my bad for that. I'm just going to apply my eyelashes and then I'm just going to add some mascara, and the mascara I used was the Benefit Roller Lash Mascara. Well, this is it, my loves. I hope you enjoyed this makeup look. Make sure to comment any videos that you want me to do. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye, loves.